Hey, I'm Elevate Vision. Now I'm going to share TikTok growth strategies that no one else knows. Let's get started. First, you need to define your channel's theme, find your niche. Is it entertainment, education, or vlogging? People love consistent content in a specific area. If you choose your niche wisely, your followers will be the ones genuinely interested in the type of content you create too. Profile and bio settings. Your profile is your showcase. A good profile picture, a compelling bio, and a clear message are essential. Your followers should immediately understand who you are and what you offer. **** 3. Content strategy and consistency. The biggest secret to a successful TikTok account is consistency. You need to post regularly. By sharing at least 3-5 videos per week, you signal both the algorithm and your audience that you're here to stay. 4. Engagement and community building. TikTok isn't just a video sharing platform, it's also a community. Reply to comments, interact with other content creators, go live to connect with your audience. 5. Avoid fake and stolen content. Do not copy fake or stolen content. TikTok's algorithm conducts extensive research and boosts original content to help it reach the For You page. Instead of using fake content, focus on creating your own authentic material. Closing. We've reached the end of the video. With the strategies I shared, you'll gain at least 2,000 followers in just 1 week. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.